We want you making money before we try saving you money. One of the key differentiators of Future View CPA versus other CPA firms is that we focus on the profitability of your business. Then we worry about tax planning and tax strategy and all of that. We want to help you become your tax preparer and your bookkeeper's favorite client. Everybody wins that way. We win, our clients win, and the other preparers win. So it's a triple win. I was interviewed this week for the podcast drop. The reporter wrote back and they were like, "Well, I'm confused. You're a CPA. Don't you do taxes?" That is a common misconception from, I think, just everyone. The general public is they think because you're a CPA, you're the tax person, you're the bookkeeper or the accountant. And I think it's a frustration for us as a whole in the industry because we can do so much more. So there's a lot of different CPA firms that specialize in specific things. So I spent many, many years doing the tax and the accounting and what I call traditional CPA services. And what I found through that time frame, through those years of experience, is a lot of my small business clients were so focused on not paying the tax man, and I was too, that we weren't really worried about what's more important, which is getting your profit up, making sure your business is profitable so that you can actually have a business and not work yourself to death. And so that's why I changed my offers to be specific to profit and performance advisory. I know that from working with thousands of small business owners and being a small business owner myself for over 20 years, that it's way more important to get profitable before we even worry at all about tax planning.